Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the mount to the object now. Attach the camera with the 1/4-20 mount and tighten. Once done, select a 24mm 50mm lens to mimic human perspective because wider distorts and longer compresses. Make sure to set aperture around f/4f/8 for balanced depth. You'll mark the object's motion path and add padding where contact happens to protect gear. This gets you rolling immediately, and it prevents shifting during movement, so shots stay consistent. Next, you stabilize and synchronize motion. Attach small counterweights or a lightweight gimbal to center the camera's gravity, because imbalance creates jitter even at slow speeds. Once balanced, rehearse the motion slowly. Aim for 1 to 2 seconds for each action, and run 3 to 5 takes to find the smoothest pace. Make sure to match camera tilt and pan with the object's movement. This preserves the POV illusion. Also record a reference sound or slate so you can align takes in post, which speeds editing. Finally, you run final test takes and lock settings before the main shoot. Start with full-speed rehearsals and review playback at 24 or 30 FPS to judge motion blur and realism. Adjust shutter speed if motion looks wrong. Make sure focus is locked. Use autofocus hold or mark a manual focus stop, then confirm exposure with your meter. If you see wobble, loosen the mount, rebalance counterweights, and retighten joints. If the view drifts, tighten mounts and retest immediately to avoid reshoots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.